Can't pair Bluetooth. Check the pin and try again. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve if you cannot pair your Bluetooth, which was working fine, but now it says check the pin and try again. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you open settings and go to Bluetooth, maybe you're trying to connect your old device. Now, first of all, make sure you turn on Bluetooth. And if the device is still showing up over here, first of all, make sure to disconnect them, right? So just go ahead and basically press on this little three dots option there, and then you can just select remove device and then reconnect again by clicking on the add device option or going to this add device section and adding that particular Bluetooth device again. Other thing you can try to do is you can try to run the troubleshooter by simply going to system. From system, you want to scroll down here and go to the option called troubleshoot. From troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and here under other you can see Bluetooth and just hit the run option. It will search for any missing drivers or any issues that you have with your Bluetooth, and it will hopefully solve them. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.